Stop for a moment and look at what is happening in the world right now. Artificial intelligence is no longer a future idea. It is already transforming how people study, work, create, and make decisions. Every industry is feeling the shift. AI can now solve complex coding problems, support legal analysis, and answer advanced technical questions. It can generate text, audio, music, video, and even assist in breakthrough design and innovation. Across industries, AI is becoming part of everyday work. Those who learn to harness it will move ahead faster. AI is not simply replacing jobs. It is replacing outdated ways of working. The real risk is staying unprepared. Every sector is changing. Businesses are becoming more efficient, and educators are becoming smarter. Teams are producing more in less time. Employers today increasingly value professionals who can work alongside AI. But there is a problem. Many people spend hours watching random tutorials that lack direction or depth. Others enroll in long, complicated courses they never complete. They gain information, but not confidence. In the end, they finish with no real project, no structured understanding, and nothing meaningful to show for their time. That is why Global Campus Group has created a different learning experience. A practical and structured course designed to take you from the fundamentals of AI to building a real chatbot project with total confidence. This is not passive learning. This is guided, applied, and future-focused education for the modern professional. The course is designed as a 15-day practical learning journey, one class per day, a clear, manageable structure, a strong focus on real understanding. Learners move step by step so they never feel lost or overwhelmed. Each day builds upon the last, ensuring you develop a robust foundation before moving to advanced concepts. The journey begins with the essentials. What is AI, machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks? Then we dive into generative AI, large language models, tokenization, embeddings, and prompt engineering. You'll explore RAG and practical AI applications. With basic Python, you will start building your own chatbot project. The most important difference is the outcome. You won't just say you're interested in AI, you'll show what you've built. That is the difference between watching and building. This adds immediate value to your portfolio and CV. It proves your skills and signals to the market that you are a future-ready professional prepared for the new economy. You'll also benefit from guided notes, quizzes, and practical support to ensure you master every concept. Gain access to source code and earn a completion certificate that validates your expertise internationally. Everything is designed to make your learning journey stronger, clearer, and more useful in the real world. The future is being shaped by those learning to work with AI today. Act now to be better prepared and more confident. Will you wait and fall behind? Or will you begin and move forward? Join us and take your first serious step into AI. Global Campus Group, future-ready learning for the global professional. Enroll today.